Change is needed immediately. That's the message from a disability rights group following the rape of a helpless patient at Hacienda HealthCare. That organization just put out recommendations that it believes will prevent future abuse. Ryan Sims is joining us now live from the newsroom with a look at the list of changes. Ryan?
Yeah, hey, Chris, this report gives 11 major recommendations to prevent Hacienda-like abuses from happening again. Recommendations that could cause sweeping changes in how the disabled are treated here in Arizona.
It takes one story to really capture people's attention, and that was the Hacienda case.
The ripple effect continues into the sexual assault case at Hacienda HealthCare, where a woman living in a vegetative state was raped and gave birth to a baby. Now, weeks later, disability rights advocates are giving recommendations that could lead to better safety for the disabled.
We're not trying to spread panic, but we want people to be vigilant. We want people to be aware.
A key part of the recommendations involves better accountability. The Arizona Developmental Disabilities Planning Council says it wants places like Hacienda HealthCare to not only be watched by the feds, but also state healthcare workers.
Less eyeballs on a situation, the higher the risk you can be.
As a result, they're wanting places like Hacienda to obtain a state license. Another key point is better reporting. The group wants to make it a felony whenever abuse is suspected but not reported. Advocates in turn believe the threat of felony punishment will be enough to force whistleblowers to come forward.
Sometimes it takes one person getting their story told to create action to prevent these kind of problems.
All this as a recent study showed that disabled people 3 times as likely to be victims of violent crime than those without disabilities.
And we are told that the recommendations have already been delivered to state lawmakers here in Arizona, with lawmakers from both sides of the aisle requesting the report. In the newsroom tonight, Ryan Sims, Arizona's Family.